Haley can't decide if she's happy or sad. Are you happy now? Are you going to just smile and be a happy baby now? Oh. What? Are you happy or are you sad? What? Oh, you're so goofy. Smile, smile sad, smile sad.